Sounds like a pretty good destiny to me, Alejandro.
Find out on the next Mundo del Amor.
This is your destiny.
What?
Whatever you do, do not make a sound. I'm Jake from the TFF. That's Turkey Freedom Front. You've just been recruited for a top secret mission.
Ah! Help! I've been kidnapped by Wild Turkey! Security! Set tasers to kill! Ah!
What was that?
Oh!
Love your enthusiasm, comrade.
Ah!
But you're running in the wrong direction. Besides, we're already behind schedule.
We're behind schedule?
We are? Why didn't you say so?
Let's move! Look, I think you have me confused with somebody else. I'm not part of any mission. Ah.
Horizon seems clear. Hold on.
Hey, wait! It's me! The Barton Turkey, help me!
A strange rogue turkey. Stay back. I'll take him out.
Ah! Please don't hurt me.
I don't know who you are, but you're seriously jeopardizing this operation.
Are you insane? It's me!
Is it? Is it really?
Would you get off me? You know what? I'm sick of you throwing me around. You see this line? Do not come into my personal space. Did you not see the line? Because I was pretty clear that it's right.
Snap out of it, Reggie.
Wait, how did you know my name?
Because he told me everything about you.
He? Who is he?
The Great Turkey. He appeared in the sky on a bright ball of light with a voice that came from everywhere. He gave me my mission, told me I needed to find you, and then he gave me this.
A doorknob.
The Sacred Time Knob.
This guy is a lunatic.
That secret military base should be right up ahead. The facility should be in here. Just need to figure out how to get past this impenetrable gate. So, this is what it looks like on the inside.
Okay, what's inside this, secret base anyway?
A time machine.
A time machine?
A time machine.
Time machine.
A time... What? Who told you that?
You did just now.
Of course I did. I was testing you. That's our mission. Not to save 10 turkeys or even 100, but all of them. We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu. That's right. We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu.
Who are you talking to?
This guy right here. He totally gets it. Look, see how he's nodding? Hello, soldier. Welcome to the Turkey Freedom Front.
I'm just gonna let you two get acquainted.
Scanning area.
What are you doing?
Not binoculars.
Wait. There's our target. Let's go.
Some power of the Barton Turkey.
Get back.
Hey, guys! Reggie here. I don't even recognize you. You guys must be new. You guys are never gonna believe what I've been through.
Should we report this? Too much paperwork. Let's roast them. Copy that.
Chrononaut 1, are you ready to be the first human being to travel through time?
Yes, sir! He'd better be. Chances of survival are almost zero.
Wait, you never said anything.
That's on a need-to-know basis, sir.
are they trying to kill me? I just want to go back to being a pardoned turkey. That's slippers. Slippers. What are you doing?
I've got this completely under control.
Are you crazy? You've had nothing under control.
It's an old TFF trick. It's called sound diversion.
Are you kidding me?
Control, we have a contaminant in chamber 47.
Copy that. What type, Agent?
Turkey, sir.
That is very weird, Agent.
Copy that. How do we address it, sir?
With cranberry sauce. Funny, right?
But seriously, we should deal with the contaminant.
Copy that. Oh,
Walk with me. Jake, you speak with deep conviction.
Well, that's reassuring.
Which is one step away from...
Well, that's less reassuring.
But we follow Father's rules. He keeps the flock safe.
I love rules. I actually have a rule about following rules.
Me too.
No way. Kiss me.
What did you just say?
I said, rules rule.
No, you didn't, but that's okay.
The traps are all set, sir.
You ready to spring some traps?
I was born ready.
Woohoo!
Ready. Okay.
Reggie?
Oh! Ah! Ah! Ow!
That was incredible!
I think I might need to lie down.
So, tell me about the future. Tell me every little detail, but make it very fast.
Really? You want to know about the future? Ah! 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 The hunters weren't a threat. What if everybody was safe and happy like before?
Well, that would be wonderful. That would be a dream come true. Reggie? Reggie?
Ow! What are you doing? Ah!
Oh! Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. We must attack the fort tonight.
Ow! We shouldn't attack anything.
He told me we must do it together.
Oh, give me a break. He, the great turkey, ooh, he's a voice inside your head.
How dare you? There is nothing inside my head. The great turkey is real. I saw him with my own 2 eyes.
The more you say that name, the dumber it sounds. I mean,
The great turkey is the greatest turkey that I know, and you will never be as great as the great turkey who is the greatest turkey. Okay.